Yes, son.
I like pineapple.
AYNAKO.
That's a pineapple, right? That's
AYNAKO.
It's
not pineapple.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys, I'm still in bed. Look who's in here with me. So good morning, and I was awake at like 5 o'clock in the morning, and na-cellphone na ako guys. Hi guys, I've been doing my camera because there is some grading in the lines and I don't like it seeing it on my screen. So this is the package guys that I got, and then I have to return it. So it's free for return if you are Prime, right Han? But if you're not Prime, I think no, I think it's free no matter what. Okay. So I'm going to return this. This is the paper here, and I'm just going to tip that is not going to rip. It's ready to return. Return. I'm just editing onto the video, and Tommy is just busy. Han, are you busy, baby? It's already, I don't know, 1:40. It's almost 2 o'clock. I'm so hungry, guys. I don't have any lunch. And what else going on? We're gonna drop this off because I put this in our outside to put it for the mailman. Our new mailman is different. They keep changing it every now and then. He doesn't even touch it.
When he's on vacation.
I know, but this mailman the replacements always throw the mail in the porch and never put it in the thing.
So he's a lazy slop, what can I say?
And then we're gonna go to IHOP, Rehan. Quick.
Yeah.
Are we? You're gonna treat me right?
I'll treat you right.
It's the Hyundai. It's a nice car. What's that one? And then we're gonna do some grocery because we need something like what we need, hun.
What for dinner?
We have a steak. We just eat steak though. Hun,
He knows you from your past. Oh, it's not until 4 o'clock, right?
no, it's line already. Oh, green arrow. Thank you. I think I'm gonna get this. I know it's just a starter, but that's what I'm gonna have. What do you get? Here, guys. Yes, son. What? I heard what? What is that? What is it? I heard it. Oh my god, it's blinking. Stop doing it.
Do that while you're driving.
Oh, that's not good, man. You stop the car suddenly and then you drive. That's not right what you're doing.
Right.
This is what I got, guys, and the same thing with Tommy. I am well done. It's just burger. I'm always struggling to finish fries, guys. Always. Maybe this is. And we are heading to Trader Joe's. What's out there, guys? Coming. AYNAKO.
You said I have pineapple.
AYNAKO.
I have pineapple.
AYNAKO.
I have pineapple.
AYNAKO.
I have pineapple.
Somebody is coming. Okay, just keep going over there, straight.
I have pineapple.
AYNAKO. What's out there? Oh, this guy is going. Oh my god, what a traffic in here.
Oh, I have pineapple.
AYNAKO.
That's a pineapple, right? That's
AYNAKO.
It's
Not pineapple. It's it's way different. AYNAKO.
She's a pineapple.
AYNAKO.
She's a pineapple with a pronunciation error.
AYNAKO.
You're not co? What?
AYNAKO.
You're not what? Codependent? Co-owner? Cooperative? That must be it right there. I not cooperative.
Are you
I not cooperative.
Wow, you are very bad.
That should be you.
Yeah.
Well, my bad. Figuring out what you're saying so that everybody on the internet knows what it is you're saying. I not cooperative.
AYNAKO.
Operative.
I will put you right here, guys.
And then the camera go flying.
AYNAKO.
Operative.
We get some broccoli rub, guys, and Tommy get like 4 bunches, 8 bunches, and then I'm the one who's gonna clean it, so it's gonna be really sucky.
Give yourself a do. It doesn't involve the camera.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do all the time. Are you kidding me? Look what his position, guys. We're looking for a cake. A cake.
Okay.
Huh? Is that or no? Don't do that. Or your cake, no. Not that. He's just looking what kind of cake he's getting. So thank you.
Gotta see what's here.
Yeah. This looks kind of funny, guys. You know what it is? You know what I'm thinking? How about, what is this?
Yeah, strawberry shortcake.
That's what I said. Yeah, this.
You said this one.
Yeah, this one. I looked this one, but this is the small one. You can get only the small one. Over here. Bread right there. Donuts right here. Water right here. His butt is right there. More bread for sale. What is this? What is this?
Football cake.
Football cake. Oh, it's a game thing. Yeah, it's a Super Bowl is coming. That's why. I really want to film myself. I really want to film how I make the broccoli rub, but I can't. I guess I have to buy another broccoli rub in my house. So I'm just making broccoli rub right now, and that's it. Hi guys, good night. It is 10:18 in the evening already, and 10:18 in the evening. I haven't really vlogged that much because Since we get from grocery, I've been cutting the broccoli rub, cooking, and because our two nephews are here, they have dinner here, and then they just stay here. They just stay here for a few hours because they're leaving somewhere tomorrow morning, and so that's why I haven't vlogged a lot today. Yeah, so we just have steak, salad, broccoli rub, and I did plan to film the broccoli rub, but anyway guys, I'm just gonna get broccoli rub, maybe 2 or 3 bunches, and I cook it in my house. I have a space over there. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this vlog, and yeah, it's not long vlog, but anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you in my next vlogs. Bye. Good night. Good night, guys. We lost it.